in this video, I'm going to talk about how to hide your activity status on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your WhatsApp application. And after opening the WhatsApp application, just simply tap into this three dot into top right corner. After tapping into there, just simply go over the settings, and after going into settings, you will get to see a bunch of options. Among them, you just simply have to select the privacy section. Now, after going into privacy, you will get to see a lot of options in here. Now, first of all, you will just simply have to select this last seen and online option. Now, after going into last seen and online, you'll get to see this who can see my last seen and who can see when I'm online. You just simply have to set it as same as last seen, and into the last seen you just simply have to set it to nobody. Then your activity status on WhatsApp will be hidden. Thank you for watching this video.